Hi friends, this is Miss Muller. We are on Purple Sort 24. I want you to take a look at my headers and I want you to take a look at your headers. They look very different, I know. I want you to go ahead and cross out your headers and make them the headers that I have. So your headers say CVCC, CVVC, CVCE, CV, and CVV. So I want you to cross out 4 of those. And I want you to put long A, long E, long I, long O, and long U. And I want you to listen really carefully to these directions, okay? You don't have 5. You only have 4 headers in front of you. We have 5 columns now, okay? So what I want you to do is take the paper that you cut your words from and cut yourself a little square or a little rectangle and make another header that says long U. Okay, so I'm going to say it again. I want you to listen, then you're going to pause me. So you're going to cross out CVCC, cross it out and write long A. Take CVVC, cross it out, make that long E. Cross out CVCE, make that long I. Cross out CV and CVV, open syllable, even turn it over, and write long O. And then just cut any little section off of your purple paper and write long U. You could also flip them over and write in the backs of the headers too. That's fine. I want you to pause me if you need to and go ahead and get your headers set up straight so they look just like mine, and then play me back so we can start. Okay, now that you've paused me and yours look the same as mine, we're ready to start. So I'm choosing to do our long vowels on the top so that we can practice and review our long vowel patterns. So we don't have any helper words this week, and that's just fine. We're going to start with our long A words. So I want you to find 3 words that you think are long A, and I want you to put them up. And in a minute, we're going to talk about them together. I want to see what you remember from our sort that was long and short A. Which words are long A? Remember, long A says its name. So our first word, or one of the words you should have found, does not have to be your first, is the word wave. Wave. You hear the sound A. The next word is jail. Jail. If you break the law, you have to go to jail. And then the last word here is way. So if you didn't have these 3 in there, find them, and then I want you to say them with me. So we have wave, jail, and way. Now we're going to go in the long E column. I want you to find the words that you think belong in long E. Remember, this is a review, so we've already gone over this. So find the words that you know that allow E to say its name. I'll give you a hint. There are 5. Pause me, try to find them, and come back when you're ready. Okay, now that you've paused me, let's look at the 5 words that belong in long E. So we have the word bleed. Was that one of your words? We have the word steep. You hear the E sound, the long E. We have the word sneak. We have the word scene, and this is like a scene of a movie, a clip of a movie, a scene. And we have the word feast. All say that E sound. They're all long E. If you don't have those, pause me and get those and then come back. If you do have them, we're going to move to long I. So long I, go ahead and see if you can find them. There are, again, 5 words in long I. See if you can find them. Pause me and come back when you're ready. Okay, let's go over our long I words. We have grind. See if you have that. See if that matches yours. Slide. Dry. Now remember that Y says the I name. So even though it has a Y, it really says I. The next word I want you to find is bind. Bind. I want you to find the word bind. Bind. And the next word I want you to find is light. Light. Now we're going to look at long O, and it makes the O say its name. So go ahead and see if you can find the words that belong here. There are 6 words that are long O. So pause me and see if you can find them, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, now that you have your long O words, let's go over them together. We have sold. Is that one of your words? Glow. The O says its name. Hold. Hold. Tone. Tone. Crow. And the last one in this column is soak. If you soak your pants in water, you place them in there and let them sit for a little while. And our last column is long U. And we have 4 words left, so this we know. We know that these are all long U, but let's talk about them. We have clue, right? We see that U. We know that U is long. Clue. We have the word drew. It makes the U sound, but it does not have a U. It's an EW that makes that U sound. The next one is pool. Makes the oo sound. And the last one is school. Again, makes the oo sound. Like a long U. So let's go over these words. We have clue, drew, pool, and school. So we have long A, long E, long I, long O, and long U. Now see if you can mix these up and sort them on your own. Nice job today, friends.